Welcome back to another tutorial series of AutoCAD. In this lesson, we'll learn about setting drawing limits. So the drawing area in the AutoCAD is endless. We need to limit it as per our requirement or the size of the drawing. Can be done using command limit, or you can access it by going here in the format and clicking on the drawing limits. By doing so, this tool is activated. Then in command bar, it says to specify the lower left corner, and by default it is 0,0. Press enter to accept it, and again it asks to specify the upper right corner, and by default it is 12,9. Again I'll press enter to accept it. So we have accepted the default value as per AutoCAD template. So we can also activate by uh, typing Yala Yamete and pressing enter. In this way also we can activate the tool. I'll press escape and escape for this now. And what's the importance of setting this limit? Setting up limits enhances the object visibility, display area, and zooming capacity while working in a drawing. So AutoCAD allows us to restrict the display of grids up to the limit of our drawing. In our case, we have set the limits to 12,9. So if we want to restrict our grids up to 12,9, what we have to do is type grid in the command grid and press enter. And next, here you can see specify the grid spacing. So here we need to click on limits, and command line says display grid beyond limits, and the options are yes and no. Currently it is set to yes. Now I'll click on no. So here you can see our drawing area has been limited to 12,9. So you can also restrict the use of any tool beyond this area. So to do so, type limit on the command line and press enter, and here choose on option for now. So if I want to draw anything beyond this grid line, I won't be able to do so. AutoCAD will not allow us to do so. So if I want to draw a circle here, I can't draw any circle here. It's asking to specify the center point. If I click also, nothing works. But if I will do the same thing here inside the grid, let me draw a circle here. I'll specify the center point here. Our circle is drawn inside, but I can't draw anything outside. Any tool can't work outside the grid. So this is the use of drawing limits. By doing so, you can limit the area in which you want to work, and you can't draw anything outside that grid area. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.